Why do Indians love Xiaomi devices? A couple years ago in 2014, when Xiaomi released their first ever smartphone in India, that was the Mi 3. People did not expect anything from this device because this was a new company, a new brand, a new device. People did not trust it because till then almost everyone was fed up of buying cheap and unreliable Chinese products which fantasize them of giving everything that they have but actually not having anything. But Xiaomi proved everyone wrong when the first ever smartphone was released, that was the Mi 3. It actually worked. They were making smartphones that were actually reliable in the reality. This is why within just 6 years of its establishment, Xiaomi company is competing against the market leaders, that is Apple, Samsung and Huawei, by breaking the myth that is low quality equals low price. Let us talk about some of the reasons why people actually love and people actually care about buying Xiaomi devices. Firstly, pricing. Pricing is a key feature of Xiaomi devices because for a low price you get top of the line specifications. Second, that is premium hardware and build quality. The older Xiaomi devices were not built that good, but the 2020 devices of Xiaomi are built very premium. Third point is camera. The camera may be not as good as Samsung and Apple, but it has come a very long way from 3 to the new 10 5G. Fourth point is that even if you root this phone, the warranty is not gonna go void. Even after rooting this phone, you can just go and claim your warranty, and this is why people who want to experiment their Android phones do buy Redmi phones. These are some of the many reasons why people actually want to buy Xiaomi devices in 2020. This has been my time. My name is Gaurav. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. I'll see you guys in the next video.